Okay, we're just going to take a look at a shoulder mobility test. We're going to look at sort of shoulder flexion and shoulder extension. So we're going to use the pass-through as the testing tool. So let's going to just do a couple of reps of the pass-through. Taking the bar all the way back, keeping the arms locked out, bringing it all the way back through. Okay, so elbows stay locked, neither bend, neither twist. The bar must touch the butt and then must come back. We're slowly going to start to walk the hands in, and you're going to try to find the narrowest grip you can with doing the pass-through with the shoulder dislocate without bending the elbows, okay? Once you've done this, we're going to measure. So we measure the distance between the inside of the finger and the inside of the finger here. This distance here is going to be the grip width. So we've already done this with Lisa, and the grip width when she was cold was 735, okay? The other thing we want to measure is the cubit distance. Now the cubit is your fingertip to your elbow, which is roughly your shoulder width, okay? So if we're going to measure this on Lisa, she's going to hold up her hand. I go from the fingertip to the point of the elbow here, okay? We measured this earlier, so for her it was 470. But then you're going to use the following equation. So it's 1.5 times the cubit length divided by the grip width. It's going to give you a percentage here. So Lisa's is 0.95 or 95%. So what we're looking for is if you've got less than 65%, you've got very limited shoulder mobility. If you're between 65 and 80, we're saying that this is average shoulder mobility. And if you're above 80, then this is good shoulder mobility. This is something we can train and something that we can try to work on. So if your shoulder mobility is limited or average, we're going to start to try and work on this. So we start to improve this overhead position. This is going to help with your snatch, it's going to help with your press, it's going to help with your handstand. We also want to get into this shoulder extension position, so what happens back here. This will help to work towards dips and muscle ups and all those movements on the gymnastics rings as well. It's a great little test. We can retest, come back, and always see that you're starting to make improvements in that shoulder mobility.